At night, a trained stealth monitoring security operator saw 4 individuals enter this active construction site from a fence line on foot. They proceeded inside a building under construction. Our operator contacted police. Moments later, a vehicle arrived on site. An individual exited and entered the same building. Our operator saw the 4 individuals loitering inside the unfinished building. Then, one of the individuals mounted a bike and fled. 2 others climbed a temporary chain-link fence, while the last one tucked and rolled under an adjacent fence. All 4 were seen ascending the stairs. A police cruiser arrived on scene. Our operator had communicated the location of the suspects, so an officer went straight to them. The officer spoke with the suspects through the perimeter fence until another police cruiser arrived. 3 officers gained access through the fence and arrested 3 of the suspects. They were placed into police cruisers while one of the suspects was released.